All right, welcome back. This is a continuation of the testimonial series from Lisa that she came to me about 2 years ago, and we worked together for a year and a half for alcohol addiction. And now she's completely free. Every area of her life really improved, from relationships, finances, physical and mental health, and even her finances. So we're going to focus in on this one, how her relationships improved. So I work the same way with everybody. We take the path of joy, release the different emotions like guilt and shame and anger, and really own our own lives. So take responsibility for our own happiness. And as we work together, we let go of kind of blaming other people and really taking responsibility and letting go of those different, some of the awful feelings that you had about yourself. We let go of feelings of anger towards family members from the past. And to me, along the way, so many beautiful, positive things happen. Like, for instance, you went from negative feelings, especially about your mom, to having beautiful dreams about them, where you could feel you had forgiven her, and your relationships really improved because you could remember now, and you weren't saying mean things to them. So that really helped. But your relationship in particular with yourself improved. You started to do more things for yourself too, so that when we love ourselves, it's like, if we don't like ourselves, why would we bother trying to do something nice like taking care of it? So tell me a little bit about how your relationship with yourself improved, and how your relationship with especially your boyfriend improved.
Well, it's nice to be able to trust yourself by knowing that you haven't said and done things to offend other people or hurt their feelings. And I don't have to feel guilty about anything anymore. I can be honest about everything. I'm not hiding anything, which was really damaging my relationship with my partner. Feeling guilt about sneaking alcohol behind his back, and not like he couldn't tell later. And so being able to be honest about all of that is probably the biggest improvement. And remembering my phone conversations. I was having phone conversations with people and didn't even remember talking to them. Now I know what's going on and what I'm doing and what I've said. So, and it improved my friendships, I think, too. And when everything around you gets better, you feel better about yourself. So I think that was the biggest change, was not hiding and not lying and not sneaking alcohol.
Nice.
And I'm into the point now where when I see a bottle, I can't even stand to look at it. I put it back in the cupboard, or put something else in front of it so I don't have to see it, because it makes me sick to look at it.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you. All right. So stay tuned for our next part in this testimonial series from Lisa.